is Osman Ali. I'm from the Somali Museum of Minnesota. We teach the culture and educate those people who doesn't know the Somali culture and the youth who grow up here in the United States, those who are born and raised here, and we wanna teach the culture because these people, they were grown up here and they wanna know more about their heritage. So the Somali Museum is a part of those who interesting to educate the youth here in the United States, and especially in Minnesota, to work with Kachog organization who actually tries the best to educate and work hard with the youth to educate them different kinds of programs. And the culture is one of the programs that Kachog, involved with. And we worked with Kachog with this program at the beginning of this year. And we have different groups from different counties in Minnesota, like Eden Prairie and St. Paul, Minneapolis. And we tried to go in different locations, Kachog offices, and their locations in Eden Prairie and St. Paul. We tried to teach this young generation their culture in Eden Prairie and St. Paul. And we started at the beginning of this year, and actually it was something that they get benefit of it when they were learning their culture. They learned something that they never heard about it before, because everything we were teaching this youth was their nomadic society culture and the elders, their artifacts, the way they were living long time ago in the nomads, and the ways they were living, how they were preserving their food, how they were, treating to each other, how they were preserving the guests and welcoming their guests when they are traveling from location. Kachog organization, which helps the youth to learn more and get involved with their culture, their language, heritage. It's gonna be something that they will take advantage of it, and in the future we're gonna see a number of youth that will take advantage of these programs. And actually, I thanks a lot for this young people, young Kachog group, who is trying their best to do whatever they could do for their community, and they're trying hard to help this community just to educate the youth and joining and connecting this youth with their families and their culture. And we are proud for that, and we are trying to help them as much as we could, and we'll help them the best we could. And thanks for those who take part of this, all those who send their kids to these programs. And thanks a lot for Kachog for their hard work they were doing and inviting us also to take part of this program. And thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Warsame Shirwa. I'm an educator. I've been working in the literacy field for the last 20 years in the state of Minnesota, and particularly in the Twin Cities area. I have worked with the Kajog program, Kajog organization rather, with the program of Fanka Somali, which I taught the Somali literature. I worked with youngsters after school program when they came to learn about the Somali heritage through Fanka, which was to teach them the Somali language, traditions, and so forth. Right after they finished their homework with the 4-H program that's run by Kajog, I was able to teach how to learn about the Somali culture, use the Far Somali, the Somali writing, talk about the background of how it was developed, the stages that it went through. It has been used, Somali language has been trying to develop writing for the last several centuries, trying to use Arabic, Urdu, Latin writing. We had those lessons, and the youngsters really benefited from it. And I have spoken with many parents who accompanied their kids to the program, who were very proud about the program and the advantage they had to take from getting such a chance to learn about their culture. The 4-H program, which in collaboration with the University of Minnesota, that works with Kajog, also was helpful because I, on occasion, before I start my program, see the youngsters doing their homework help with the 4-H program, and also learn from them before we start to teach the Somali heritage, Somali culture and traditions and so forth. And it was beneficial. I mean, at the end of the program, the kids were very happy. Very many parents were very happy about the program. We created a little bit of an entertainment for them, and they learned their culture through the language. And I think every culture has a way it learns its heritage. The Somali part was we were learning to learn Somali culture through the Somali language, which was in itself, learning another language to the kids who were born here and or who were raised here. And the community was very happy about it, extremely delighted to be part of this program, and we'll be looking forward to work with any other program that might be coming forth. Thank you very much.